Rachel Henderson.
Kansas City, you really outdid yourself with the photos and videos you sent in from the blizzard. I'm Rachel Henderson, and I've had so much fun today looking through them all, but here are some of my favorites.
I'm in the snow, and I'm singing. I'm in the snow, and I'm singing.
Julie Barnett sang a happy song for her dream come true.
I prayed for all of this.
That's true.
I was like, please, let's get snowed in. I love snow.
She does.
She's not kidding. Julie and her husband Brad were originally in Kansas City for a wedding Saturday. Sunday was the unexpected surprise.
We got a notification that our flight was canceled, that we were supposed to fly home back to North Texas, Dallas area.
But these Texans didn't skip a beat.
Let's go get something to eat.
And we love to be outside together, right?
Yes.
So now we have this kind of bonus day.
It was a bonus day for plenty of folks across the Kansas City area. Here's Emmett and Lenexa with an impressive snowball toss and an even more impressive snowball grab. The Chillicothe High School football team took to the streets to help shovel snow Monday. And check out this massive icicle sent in by Katie from KCK. It wasn't just humans like Pamela here having fun in the snow. This bunny rabbit from Lake Cowira, Kansas is living its best life. Then, of course, we have the amazing cardinal content from Dave and Lenexa. And when it was time to take a break, these neighbors in Piper enjoyed some hot cocoa.
We have a great cul-de-sac of neighbors.
She's with her husband Tom and neighbor Jim, who blew snow off all their neighbors' driveways Monday.
Everybody kind of helps each other.
When it's all said and done, you can't help but look back and laugh.
Toss, toss.
Rachel Henderson, KSHB 41 News.
Our weather team has been closely watching this storm all week. I don't know if they're singing high notes, but you can stay up to date by downloading the KSHB 41 app or scanning that QR code on your screen. We'll send you the latest forecasts and alerts for your area.